So this is the box that the speakers came in. When you do the unboxing, always if you're using a cutter, just barely open it so that you don't scratch anything inside the box. So this is what I'm doing here. So this is a protection for the speakers, and these are the speakers. This here is a passive speaker, and this is the active one. So these are the speakers, these are the cables and the remote control, and this is the warranty card, the user manual, and all other papers. So this is everything that comes with the speakers. You have the user manual and warranty information. You have two RCA cables. One is RCA to RCA, the other is 3.5mm jack to RCA. You have the speaker connecting cable, and you have the remote control. Let me first remove everything on the remote control so that you can see it better. So on the remote control you find your on-off button, and you find your mute and volume up and down, and the sound feed spatializer buttons, which are one for on to turn it on and one for off to turn it off. When you receive the speakers for the remote control, you need to remove this plastic here spacer so that the remote control works. So this one is to protect the battery in the remote control.